Careful there. Fresh olives! Come, have a look. These were brought from Crete this morning.
My brother returns from the harbor tonight. Then your mother will finally sleep peacefully.
Wait for me!
The city needs more ships. And who will pay for them?
The assembly will decide.
Tell me, what makes a man wise? Perhaps knowing how little he knows.
Do you think we will sail tomorrow?
If the wind allows it. Hungry, traveler? Fresh this morning.
I'll take 2.
2 pieces or 2 loaves?
Is that the temple?
Yes. Stay beside me.
Place the offering there.
Yes.
Bring the rope before dark!
I am coming.